Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the search interface. Press the Windows key or click the taskbar search box. Once done, check Settings right arrow searching windows to ensure indexing is on. This makes results fast. Make sure the folders you need are included by opening indexing options and adding locations like documents or your user folder. You do this now because search relies on an index. Without it, queries are slow or incomplete. That initial setup gets you immediate, accurate results when you run searches. You refine searches with advanced query syntax to get precise results. Type file type, PDF to limit results to PDFs or kind, music for audio. Once done, combine terms with and, or, and not to include or exclude words, and use quotes for exact phrases like project report. Make sure to apply built-in filters in the search pane to narrow by folder, size, or modified date. You'll save time by narrowing results before opening files, and these filters leverage the index for speed. You finish by opening the result or choosing Open File Location to confirm the file path. If expected items don't appear, make sure to rebuild the index. Open Indexing Options, click Advanced, and choose Rebuild. This forces Windows to rescan included folders. Also confirm privacy settings aren't excluding key directories because excluded folders won't show in search. One key troubleshooting tip: after rebuilding, allow time for indexing to complete before researching, since results improve as the index.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.